morning, dear children. I, Ankur Mehta,
And I, Anuradha Sharma,
welcome you all in today's craft activity of Summer Splash 2020. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying the activities of Summer Splash. So let us move on to our today's craft activity. Materials required for this activity are 4 sheets, 3 cream colored and 1 light pink color, Fevicol, scissor, pencil and stapler. Children, keep your materials ready. We are going to start. Take 2 cream colored sheets and fold it into 2 equal halves vertically. Now using the paper cutter, cut. Apply Fevicol. Join the second strip with the first one like this. Join all the 4 strips like this. Now first pair of strip you have to join with the second pair. Now fold it like this. You have to continuously fold it one upon another like this, and second one on this. So fold. Yes, you have to give it a jumping appearance. Now see. Now take the another light colored sheet, cream sheet, and make a circle using anything. Cut the circle. Children, what we are going to make with this circle? Any guesses? Face portion. Take one small strip, fold it like this, apply Fevicol and stick your face on it. Dear children, we are giving the support to the face using this strip. Now stick the face on the jumping part. Now we are going to make ears. For that, take one light pink sheet, fold the strip like this, draw the shape of ear and just cut it out. Now our ears are ready. Now fold the ears at the base and we'll paste it later on. Ears are ready. Now take 2 small strips of cream colored sheets and cut the small ears, which we are going to fix inside these bigger ones like this. Oh yeah, wonderful ears. Now ears are ready and now we are going to fix it with stapler. Children, take another strip of light pink shade and fold it into 2 equal halves. Again fold it once more. Now we are going to make
And
hands. Draw the shape and cut. Now fix the hands using Fevicol like this. Take another strip of light pink shade, fold it. Now we are going to make legs. Now fix the feet on your jumping rabbit like this. Wow, it's looking beautiful and it's jumping also. Now let us finish with our drawing work. You have to make a zigzag like this. Then coming to the eyes. Eyelashes. Small little nose. And of course 2 teeth of rabbit. And mustache. Take another strip of light pink shade and cut it in the shape of tail. Now fix this tail on the back. Here children, now our jumping bunny is ready to jump. See, it's jumping. Very nice, beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Wow, it's running also. It's time to say goodbye now. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye children.